All right, I just got this. This is a Firmerst outdoor low voltage transformer. We're gonna unbox it and take a look inside. 2 zones, independent control, 5 setting modes, photocell sensor, and memory bus. All right, so let's check it out. Oh, right, so you do get, there is a, looks like a power, some type of power cord that you need to plug in. We'll set that down there. And here it is. Yeah. Just gotta get it out of its wrapping. Oh my gosh. The way they wrap stuff is crazy. So that's that. And here we have it, right here. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so, and this is your power cord where you plug it in. And it looks pretty simple, really. Off, on, auto, 2 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, 8 hour, dusk off, timer, dusk on. It has the different hours, auto on, zone 2, zone 1. So you can set your zones, and apparently you can go up and down here. That's your clock and that's your enter spot. And you can reset it on the bottom if it's tripped. But yeah, that's it right there. And you've got your back zone here. So this is where you're gonna hook up your zone 2, and this is where you're gonna hook up your zone 1. And this gives you a little bit of information on it. And this is how you put it on the wall. 2 little, screws would go in there, and that would lock it in. And then, yeah, you're ready to go. Looks pretty simple, doesn't it? I mean, we could plug it in and check it out. I just gotta find a plug to plug it into. Okay, so now we've got power. All right, so that is the right time, by the way. It's actually in the PM. So let's hit clock, and I'm gonna go, because I want it to be PM, so I'm gonna go down. There we go. Now it's PM. I'm gonna hit the, wait a minute, hit it. Okay, so now we're gonna leave it there, right? But it is blinking. I don't know why it's doing that. I think I have to hit enter. Okay, yeah, that's it. And it is 12 o'clock, so that's good. And it is 6 minutes after, so that's good. So that's how you set the time. All right, so this is zone 1. Zone 1's off. Let's say if I wanted to turn it on, I would just hit this, and it would be on. And if I hit it again, it goes to auto. Then it goes to 2, 4, 6, 8, dusk on, timer off, timer. So I'm gonna leave it in the off position. It's the same thing here. It's on the off position. This is zone 2. There you go. There's your on position. There's your auto. 3 hours, 5 hours, 7 hours, 9 hours. Dusk on, timer off, timer on. You can set it and then back to 0. And that's it, man. It works pretty easy, really. And then we can just plug this in and hook our lines to it, and we're ready to go. But anyway, that's basically how it works. And now we just got to install it somewhere and put some lights up.